Today we're going to do a quick overview of the 2025 RX 350 dashboard and multimedia system today. So here we have the steering wheel. On the left side you have your entertainment, being able to change your music or answer or decline calls, as well as increase the volume or decrease the volume of the music playing. On the right side we have all our driving controls. You have your cruise control, your lane LDA, which is lane departure assist, as well as the ability to set the distance while you are driving in your cruise control, and any other driving assisting modes. So here is our multimedia system in the new RX. The first section, the arrow up here, is your navigation, followed by your music and entertainment. Then you have your regular phone. Then you have vehicle settings and general settings for your multimedia. So up here is the navigation. As of right now, there is no account set up. Once the vehicle has been registered in the Lexus app, you will automatically have access to your navigation systems. Right over here we have our music section. Includes FM, AM, Sirius XM. If you have a Sirius XM subscription, you will have access to music, sports, news, and talk show channels. And then you have your FM and all your FM channels. If you would like to favorite a channel for easier access, just click on the radio channel and press the heart icon, and it will be in your favorite section, so you can access it a lot more easier. Moving on to the phone section. Here you can connect a device through Bluetooth, or you can set up through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This vehicle icon right over here will cover all the vehicle settings, such as drive mode. You can select normal, sport, eco, or you can customize your own driving mode. Then you have your seat controls, where you are able to fold all the seats in the rear. Then you have driving assist. These are all your features or sensors that are in the vehicle. You can turn them on or off just by clicking on them. Then you have your trip information. This will cover up the driving range, the trip duration, and how much fuel was consumed. You can also check the tire pressure of your vehicle just by clicking on this, and it will show all the tire pressure in each vehicle. Now moving on to the general settings. Here you will have settings for your personal information, Bluetooth devices, notifications, Wi-Fi display, sound media, and vehicle customization. Under personal information, once your account has been set up, all your information will be displayed here, followed by Bluetooth and devices. Once you have paired a device into the vehicle, all paired devices will be listed here. If you wish to add or remove any devices, you can manage those settings from here. Moving into general, this is where you have date and time, keyboard, language and units. Under language and units, if you have it set on automatically, once you are driving from Canada to the USA, it will automatically change from kilometers to miles. You're also able to change the language of your preference. Date and time, you can adjust it accordingly and according to your time zone, or you can have it enabled at set automatically and it will make the changes by yourself. Under daylight savings, if you click that, automatically once daylight savings has been enabled or disabled, it will change the time accordingly. Now we have Wi-Fi. If you have an option, you have the option to set up your hotspot with the vehicle. You can do that. So here, under display, you can control the brightness, contrast of the screen, as well as for the camera. This is your backup camera settings right here. Then you have sound and media. This is where you can control how you want to adjust the music and audio system in your vehicle. Followed by vehicle customization. Here you can adjust your heads-up display, light, illumination, and door control. Under illumination, you are able to change the color. You can either pick the selected preset colors. If you wish to have a custom color, you can go under custom, press OK, and under color, change however you would like. So we can go from blue to pink. and you can adjust brightness of the lighting as well. Here we have the climate control for the vehicle. We have heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. This is for the passenger side, as well as you can control it for the rear. Here is where you can adjust the fan and the temperature for the vehicle.